Here's a quick little video to let you know about camshaft sprockets. I just did a head gasket job on this 2004 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport, and it had been overheating. I took the motor out, took the cylinder heads off. The cylinder heads were warped. So I happen to have a pair of spare cylinder heads that came from another car. I'm not even certain what year it was, but it didn't have the variable valve timing. And so this driver's side cylinder head had the camshaft sprocket already installed on the head. So I just took that head, installed it on this car, and did my head gasket job. Everything was fine, I thought. Then I went to start the car and found out that there was only spark going to cylinder 1 and 2, nothing to 3 and 4. Then I checked the signal over here, and there was only a signal going to cylinder 1 and 2. And then I started doing continuity and all these tests. I swapped the coil, I swapped the computer, I did all this stuff, and it turns out in the end it was all because that sprocket was incorrect. And so that sprocket had only 2 tabs on it, like this, where that stimulates the camshaft position sensor. But some of these sprockets have 7 tabs on the back. Not 2, but 7. And the one this car required had 7 tabs on the back. So my warning to everybody is don't use sprockets that are attached to other cylinder heads unless you're absolutely sure it's the right year, because the 7 tabs are necessary for the ECU to know how to properly fire the car. I also noticed the crankshaft position sensor on this car, as I was rotating it around, also has 7 tabs. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I think, right now. 1 there, 2, 3, 4, and then there are 3 more. So there are 7 tabs on that crankshaft sprocket, and there are 7 tabs on the back of this crankshaft pulley. So together, they apparently inform the ECU when it's time to send spark to the cylinders. So to make a long story shorter, just be careful you have the right camshaft sprocket pulley on your vehicle.